Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install VirtualBox on macOS 14 Sonoma. First of all, open web browser. I am using Google Chrome. You can use any other web browser. Type here in Google search bar, download VirtualBox for Mac. Press enter. Click here on first link www.virtualbox.org. Let's scroll down. Click on macOS Intel host. Now the downloading is started. It is 127 MB software. It will take some time to download. It's depend on your internet speed. Now the downloading is completed. Let's close web browser. Click on Finder. Click Downloads. Here it is, VirtualBox setup. Let's right click on it. Open with disk image mounter. Let's close downloads. Let's double click on virtualbox.pkg. Welcome to the Oracle VM VirtualBox installer. Click on continue. Click on continue again. This will take 262.8 MB space of your computer. Click install. Type here ROHIT Tech password. Click install software. Now the VirtualBox installation is started. You will have to wait until the installation is completed. The installation was successful. Click on close. Do you want to move the Oracle VM VirtualBox installer to the bin? In my case, I will keep this VirtualBox installer. Click on keep. Let's close this notification. Eject VirtualBox installer disk. Click on Launchpad. Click VirtualBox. Now I'm going to create new virtual machine for testing purpose. Click on New. Type here virtual machine name. I'm given it name called Windows 11. This is virtual machine default location path. I will select ISO image file later. Type Microsoft Windows, version is Windows 11. Click on next. Base memory is default 4 GB. I'm going to change it 2 GB. Processor default is 1. 1 CPU is sufficient. I'm leave as default. Click next. Click next. Click on finish. Now our virtual machine is created. Let's close VirtualBox. So viewers, in this video tutorial, you can learn how you can easily download and install VirtualBox on macOS 14 Sonoma. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.